Life in charge. Simply plug in and charge your fully electric BMW with BMW Operating System 8.5 at enabled public charge points, without a charging card or app. Here's how to enable plug and charge for one of up to 5 possible charging contracts, like BMW Charging. In the My BMW app, scroll to the Charging Hub. Select BMW Charging and register, as shown in our how-to video. Your vehicle identification number serves as your plug and charge ID and is automatically filled in. Complete the registration. Almost there. As you can see, the plug and charge functionality for your contract is pending. Now get into your BMW. Go to Charging and select Plug and Charge. Decide if other users logged into your BMW can use this contract or not. You can rename all contracts at any time for you and others to identify its purpose. Now everything's set. Activate the plug and charge feature for usage. Done! Now you can enjoy seamless charging at DC charging stations. When you reach an enabled charge point and turn the car off, the goodbye screen shows the availability of plug and charge and which contract is currently selected. Switch the contract if needed, and just plug in. Great! Authentication at the charging station happens automatically. Just wait a moment and charging starts just like that. Enjoy smart and easy charging on the go. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.